everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're getting fancy. I've got this gorgeous formal dress that I'm so excited to unbox for you guys. We'll be checking out the details, the fit, and of course giving you my honest review. I'm already in love with this absolutely stunning long flared formal maxi dress from LAAL Clothing. The first thing I noticed was the premium quality of the fabric. It's so soft yet structured, giving the dress a luxurious feel. The long flared Angrakha style maxi comes with a trouser and very beautiful dupatta, which have intricate designing. The flared design of maxi is incredibly flattering, and the intricate embroidery details are just breathtaking. The fit is perfect and the stitching is flawless, which is something I always look for in formal wear. Whether it's a wedding, party, or any special occasion, this dress is definitely a showstopper. LAAL Clothing has once again delivered a masterpiece that's worth every penny. If you're looking for a dress that combines elegance, comfort, and style, this is it. I'm absolutely thrilled with this stunning formal dress from LAAL Clothing, and it's truly exceeded all my expectations. The quality of the fabric, the intricate details, and the overall design are just exquisite. But what's even more exciting is that this is just a glimpse into the incredible range that LAAL Clothing offers. I was so impressed with this piece that I immediately explored their other collections, and I was blown away by the sheer variety and beauty of their dresses. Whether you're looking for something semi-formal for an event, LAAL Clothing seems to have it all. They have dresses that are both elegant and on trend, with a focus on luxurious fabrics. From delicate lace detailing to bold, vibrant colors, their collections offer something for every taste and occasion. So if you're searching for that perfect dress that will make you feel confident and beautiful, I highly recommend checking out the other collections from LAAL Clothing. You're sure to find something you absolutely love. They've definitely become my go-to for special occasion dresses, and I can't wait to see what they come up with next. Don't forget to check out LAAL Clothing for more stunning designs. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.